1, ELAR. The assembly of a machine takes 3/4 hour. There are 12 steps in the assembly process. What is the average time for each step? Okay, if you notice, I've already set the problem up to find the average. You divide it. There are 12 steps. It's 3/4 divided by 12. So, in order to divide a fraction, you have 3/4 times, meaning you have to take the reciprocal, 1 over 12, because you have to flip the second one. Multiplying straight across, you get 3 over 48. And you can reduce it by dividing each number by 3, and that gives you 1 over 16. Math. Jason's car can travel 308 miles on 14 gallons of gasoline. What is the number of miles per gallon? So you divide the number of gallons into the number of miles. So you would simply divide 14 into 30. We'll go 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. So now we have to subtract, and you have 2. Bring down your 8. Now 14 will go into 28 2 times, and of course 2 times 14 is the same 28. No remainder. So the answer is 22 miles per gallon. Social studies. Number 1, you simply multiply 4.5 times 8, get 36. Number 2, when you subtract, the negative or the subtraction sign makes this number negative. So 27 minus 49, the sign of the large one, will give you a negative 22, because this is a positive 27 and that is minus 49. Since it's larger, it's a negative, takes on the negative, takes on the sign. Here, order of operation, you're going to add negative 53 and 30. So you see here, the negative is larger, so it takes the sign. So subtract. So you have negative 23 minus 11. Those are two negatives. Add together is a negative 34. And of course, make sure you line up your decimals with the 70, the decimals at the end, leaving it 30.53. Okay, science. You multiply. Remember, when you have a mixed number and multiply, you must change it to improper. So I changed it by multiplying 2 times 8 and adding a 1, gives 17 over 2. 3 times 4 is 12 plus the 3, 15 over 4. Then, since I can't cancel anything out, I multiply straight across, getting 255 over 8, divide 8 into it, ends up with 31, and that's a 7. That's a 7, 8. 31 and 7, 8. Looks like a 1, but this is a 7. Now here, you notice you have to line up your decimals. So once you line up your decimals, add the zeros and subtract. Here you simply add a negative. One number is positive, the other one is negative, so you have to take away from the number, subtract. And here's the last one. You have to find a common denominator for the add problem. The common denominator was 45. When I found that, I added 36 and 25 to get 61 over 45. Then I had to convert 61 over 45 by dividing the bottom into the top. I'll just show my step I left off. So I divided 45 by 61, or 61 by 45 rather, and it went one time and 16 remaining. That's 16 over 45. So that is the reason why it is 2, because you have the one that was in the problem already, which is here, and then you have the one for the conversion of the improper fraction after you added the fractions. That's the reason why the answer is 2 and 1645.